Stop planning your HomeLab rack in a spreadsheet. This is Rackula, a free open-source tool that lets you drag real hardware into a rack right in your browser, then export a clean diagram as a PDF. No account, no install, and if you want, you can self-host the whole thing. Its tagline says it best: plan your rack, move some pixels, save your shoulders. There's a reason it already has over 1,500 stars, and I'll show you the best part in a second. First, let's build a rack on a phone. So here's the pitch. Rackula is a browser-based rack layout designer aimed squarely at homelabbers. The whole idea is that you plan where every switch, server, and patch panel goes before you ever pick up a screwdriver. You move pixels instead of heavy 4U servers. It runs entirely in your browser at count.racku.la. It saves your layouts locally, so there's no sign-up, and it's completely free and open source under the MIT license. Think about how much this matters before a build. Rack depth, power placement, cable runs, which view each device lands on. Get it wrong physically, and you're unscrewing rails at midnight. Rackula lets you settle all of that on screen first. Drag and drop planning, export anywhere, self-host forever. That's the entire promise, and it delivers on it. Let's actually use it. When you open the app, you can start from a blank rack or grab a starter template. There's a home lab, a network closet, and a media server layout ready to go. From there, you're in the designer. You pick devices, drop them into rack units, and drag them around until the layout makes sense. Everything's touch-friendly, so this works just as well on your phone in front of the actual rack as it does on a desktop. And a little toast reminds you your work is saved right in the browser. Export to a file when you want a permanent copy. Because nothing lives on a server unless you choose to self-host. There's no privacy trade-off and nothing to lose if a company disappears. Your rack plan is just data in your own browser. Here's the detail that makes it feel professional instead of like a drawing app. The device library uses real hardware with real product images, pulled from the NetBox devicetype-library, the same open catalog data center folks use. So when you drop in a specific switch or server, it actually looks like that unit, front panel and all, not a generic gray rectangle with a label. The library is organized by brand, function, and size, so finding the exact box you own takes seconds. That realism is what turns a rough sketch into something you'd actually hand to a colleague. Once your rack looks right, Rackula is built to get that layout out of the browser and into the real world. You can export to PNG, PDF, or SVG, perfect for documentation, a change request, or just taping to the side of the cabinet. Need to send it to someone? Share it by URL or a QR code, no file attachments required. There's BAID rack grouping for AV installs and multi-cabinet setups, an optional API-backed sync if you want your layouts to follow you across devices, and that mobile-friendly interface for when you're standing in the server room. And because it's open source, you're never locked in. The hosted app is free to use. But if you'd rather run your own copy, it self-hosts anywhere: Docker, a Proxmox container, or bare metal. It's genuinely a single command. Pull the image, map a port, and you've got a private Rackula instance on your own network. Add the optional backend, and you get persistent storage and login for a whole team. Watch how little it takes to stand one up. This isn't some abandoned side project either. Rackula lives on GitHub under the Rackula Lives organization. It's written in TypeScript with a svelte front end, and it's MIT licensed, so you can read it, fork it, or contribute. It's crossed more than 1,500 stars in a matter of months, with active development and regular releases shipped as Docker images. For a tool this focused, that kind of traction tells you homelabbers were genuinely waiting for it. To see why people jumped on it, compare it to how rack planning usually goes. The old way is a spreadsheet with merged cells, or graph paper and a pencil, or just guessing and hoping the depth works out. None of that survives contact with reality, and none of it exports to anything clean. Rackula replaces all of it with a visual, to-scale layout using the real gear that you can share and reopen in seconds. It's the difference between a mental estimate and an actual plan. If you want the full tour, the Rackula site walks through how it works, the features, and the self-hosting options, with a link straight into the live app and the GitHub repo. It's the fastest way to get oriented before you start dragging devices. Here's the site and everything it lays out. And the best part is the price and the terms. Rackula is free. The hosted app costs nothing and asks for no account. It's MIT licensed open source, so it's free to self-host too, with no premium tier hiding the good features behind a paywall. Your layouts stay in your browser or on your own server if you self-host. In a world of subscriptions for everything, a genuinely free, no-strings tool that just works is refreshing. So here's Rackula in a few numbers. Over 1,500 GitHub stars and climbing. 3 export formats, PNG, PDF, and SVG. 1 Docker command to self-host. And $0, 0 accounts, and 0 lock-in. It's a small tool with a very sharp focus, and it nails exactly the job homelabbers kept doing the hard way. There's a reason this clicked with the homelab crowd so fast. Racking gear is physical, heavy, and annoying to redo, and every mistake costs you an afternoon of unscrewing rails. A tool that lets you make all your mistakes in pixels first, for free, is exactly the kind of small quality of life win this community loves. And because it's open source and self-hostable, it fits the homelab ethos perfectly. Own your tools, keep your data, no subscription creeping in later. The maintainers summed the whole thing up in one line. Getting started takes about a minute. Open count.racku.la, pick a template or a blank rack, and start dropping in your gear. Export a PDF when it looks right, and if you love it, spin up your own self-hosted copy with that 1 Docker command. It's free, it's open, and there's nothing to sign up for. Here's the path from zero to a finished rack diagram. That's Rackula, a free open-source drag-and-drop rack designer that turns spreadsheet guesswork into a real, shareable plan, right in your browser. Go build a rack at count.racku.la, and if you self-host, drop your setup in the comments. If this was useful, subscribe to Prism Labs for more home lab and self-hosted tooling. I'll see you in the next one.